We are about to unbox this. Get ready, YouTube. Here comes the PlayStation 5. Alright, we got one tab. One tab so far. It's a pretty big box. It's about 30, maybe 20 inches by 20 by 20. You guys are getting the whole office scene right now too. Let's see. We've got a nice. Okay, so everything is just in the top here. There's actually nothing. There's nothing to just like pull this thing out. Power cord. Controller. There we go. Alright, here's that PS5 controller. So, pretty nice. I like the black and white kind of Oreo effect here. Looks like we have USB-C charging in the back. So far, the feel, and these are translucent. I don't know if you can see that. These buttons are translucent. So it's not gonna wipe away, basically. They're internally covered and plastic capped. And then the bumpers, are really nice. They're not gummy or sticky. They're very springy, actually. This controller feels amazing. 100%. Let me pull up a PS4. So in comparison, we have let me get a better angle. We got a PS4 controller and a PS5 controller. So the difference in size is really not even noticeable. Like they're pretty much the same size. If I put this one in front, they're pretty much the same size. So that's cool. I feel like this is just a little bit longer, like just on the edge there. But if you like the PS4 controller, you're probably gonna like the PS5. Let's just say that. So that's the controller. Looks great, feels great. That is just all the documentation box. I think underneath we might have the stand. So out of the box you do get an HDMI cable. Looks like a 6-footer. And then we have the stand adapter. And then we have charge cable for the controller. I think this guy is going to be the stand, quite honestly. This looks like the stand for it. So, we'll pop that guy on in a minute. Throw that down here. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let me put the box down here, actually. Okay, if you were to ask me if they could do something better, it would be the cardboard in there needs to be a little bit tighter on the actual system. I had to put it down sideways and basically unravel it on a mat. Okay. There we go. Here is the system. Throw that all away. Okay. So immediately, PS5 logo looks very clean. Okay. Front of the device, we have, here's our cup holder, aka the disc tray. We've got, I'll go ahead and sit down for this one. So, disc tray, we got two symbol lights here, one for power, one for disc eject. These are tiny, slim little buttons right there. You can see those 1, 2, power and eject. We have a USB-C charger in the front. We also have a USB-A slash charger in the front as well. And then if we take a look in the back, we've got 2 high-speed USBs, so 3.0s. In the back, we have a Ethernet connector, we have HDMI, and then we have power. So, and then we have a cable lock. So if you take this and travel and you want to do a cable lock, you can actually do that as well. So there we go. There's our system. You can do this horizontal. You can mount it like this if you want, or you can have it sitting up like this. And then we have our controller. Controller is beautiful. The design is really incredible. There's actually a microphone. There's a microphone built in right here, so you can actually, I think one of the games we first get, you can actually you can blow into and actually move like a balloon or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. But tonight on stream we're going to play we'll play a variety of games. We're going to test downloads. I'll put that on the video as well. I like the voice search. Let's test out some download speeds. We are hardwired. We do have a 1 gig connection. So we can either stream this game or you can download it. I think we'll try to download 1.46 gigs. Now part of your download speed actually accounts for in the write speed of the hard disk. That's not too bad. We're pulling down some good numbers. And look, you can see who's live. You actually see trending broadcasts. And then we've got other packs down here that we can download the credits, tokens. And then tonight on stream, we'll play maybe Warframe, we'll play some free-to-play games, so I might transfer my Destiny, and so on and so forth. So, anyways, there you go. Unboxing a PS5. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to tune into the stream, it's twitch.tv/SirDeadKnight. I'll be on live about 11 p.m. Central, anywhere between 11 and 12 p.m. Central Time, US. Anyways, I'll catch you on the channel next time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see ya.